Howdy knife peeps, what is going on? I'm glad you're here, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. That is awesome. I want to take a quick second, shout out all the channel members. Thank you guys and gals. I appreciate you all more than you know. I want to thank anybody who comes in to check out my knife, my EDC, my unboxing, my disassembly, my random content. I really appreciate you. If you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, really help me out. So today we're going to unbox a budget knife I picked up on Amazon Sunday, Saturday, something like that. And we're going to use my Amazon titanium unboxing knife to cut through this and get that out. So it has been, I guess, a little while since I had a CJRB. I think the last one I had and gave away was the Pyrite Light. This is a little different. This is the CJRB Pyrite Bowie pocket knife. And this particular configuration is on sale. And it's kind of funky looking, and I picked it up because it was under 50 bucks. And I wanted to check it out, share it with you guys. This is just an unboxing. We'll unbox it, take a look at it, make comments, a little troll candy in there. Got our CJRB pouch. And again, kudos to CJRB for some of the best pouches. This thing's very hot. Got a little rag in there, a little cloth. Got the knife here. I've had the Pyrite Warney. I have had the Pyrite Mini. I've had the original Pyrite, and that one was in titanium, I think, and it was the one that had titanium scales. So this one, it looked like G10, but it's got some kind of aluminum or metal scale or something. I'm not exactly sure what that scale material is. Let's see. I'm gonna say it's steel. So you got steel scales. You've got this rose colored Bowie blade. Yeah, these are steel scales with weight relief cut into them. That is a cool looking blade, guys. It was a little bit funky looking. That's why I picked it up. There were other configurations. They were on sale. I was curious. Oh yeah, you can flick it from that fuller. From the stud. From the fuller. That was me. Snappy, it's a little knife. And to be honest with you guys, normally coppery gold, rose gold, whatever you want to call it, is not my jam. But I think this knife in black with those gold appointments is pretty sick. I'm pretty impressed with it. Let's see. Feels very sharp. Get a piece of paper here. Very slicey, guys. You saw I took it out of the box. That's the factory edge. No strop. Well, it'll be interesting to see how this finish holds up. Not that I'm really worried about it, because it's a budget knife. I think that just left basic paper smucks on it. I can probably wipe that off. But I'm going to put it through its paces. Oh yeah, I'm going to put it through its paces, cut a bunch of cardboard and stuff like that with it. Because I like the look of it, guys. It's not normally what I, again, would go after. That tip. Now the shape of the blade is, and they make this in several configurations. I'll leave the Amazon link where I bought this, one of my affiliate links. But it's AR RPA, I always forget which one this is. Let me get my little magnifying glass. I know it's AARP M9 or something like that, but I always forget. I might as well get it right. So I'm going to get my little County Com magnifying glass. It is AR RPM9. AR RPM9. I need to remember that, but I never will. So anyways, that's what this is. And it is, again, in this rose gold finish, which they did an amazing job of matching the hardware to the blade. And I think it looks really good with the scales. I like this knife. I have a feeling I'm going to really enjoy carrying this knife. I'm going to enjoy checking out this knife. And it was on sale for $45.98 when I got it. You can check. I don't know how long it's going to be on sale for $45.98, but I think that's a great price for a bug out size knife. The Pyrite, to me, has been a fantastic knife for CJRB, probably one of their most popular artisan cutlery / CJRB. But I love the action. My finger can hit the stud, I can hit the fuller. Snappy detent on a button lock with very little bounce back, perfectly centered, deep carry, steel clip. The fuller could be a little sharper. I like a sharp fuller, but I can see why they did that a little more gentle because of the blade. You wanted the look to kind of look like a traditional Bowie blade. You've got this nice swedge up here that comes to this really, really keen tip. Really nice sharpening choil that I use as a forward finger choil. Yeah, guys, I think it's going to be a great knife. I think it's going to come in right around the same size as the bug out. Let's see, we're not going to measure it because this is not a review, but I can grab this bug out. Sorry about that if you just heard a whack. That was my microphone. Yeah. So when you're looking at this Pyrite, it is just about the same size and thickness of my Benchmade bug out. Actually a little bit thinner than my Benchmade bug out, but my Benchmade bug out has met embossed scales on it, so that could make it a little bit thicker. I don't know, I don't think so. But yeah, guys, the CJRB Pyrite Bowie on Amazon right now on sale. That's just an unboxing. I'll let you know what I think of it. We'll hang out with it. We'll cut with it. I appreciate y'all taking the time to come in and watch my content. Again, if you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance, if you'd hit that subscribe button, it would really help me out. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.